Okay, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to buy some mushrooms and we're going to grow mushrooms at home. And this is what they look like right here. So what we want to do is we want to pick the ones that have a lot of white stuff in them because those are the mushroom spores. And so we'll pick up about 4 of these and then we'll go set up a mushroom farm back home.
Please,
Yeah,
yeah.
let's do it. So you see that? Look, you got this. Take that out. Now, then what you do is you dig that out right there. So now let's wait about 3 days and see what we come up with. In the meantime, I'll keep the towels wet, and I'll pour a little bit of water into the top hole. But other than that, I won't disturb it for 3 days. I don't even need to look at it for 3 days. And then let's see what happens. All right. Okay, so we're at day 5 of the mushroom growing. So let's take a look at what we got. This one is the cardboard one, and look at that. So this one here is ready to be harvested. So when we harvest it, we just take it out just like that, put it back in, water it down. Now, this mushroom, fresh. And delicious. Let me set that there for now. Ooh, that's a delicious mushroom. Then we've got this one, which is the styrofoam one. And oh, look at that. So this one is the one that I actually cut in the middle as an experiment. None of the directions say to do that. We've got a nice, look at that. Nice, beautiful mushroom. Now this is day 5. So we'll put those back. Looks like we've got quite a few growing in there. Look, a lot of those spores. So we'll put that back. We'll put this over here. We'll continue to keep this wet. And then we'll continue to grow these for the next couple of days, all right? It's pretty simple. All right, let's do it. All righty, so it's day 7, and look at that. So we've got a new set of mushrooms coming out. Beautiful. We'll go ahead, we'll take these out, just like that, and then we'll put it back. And put it back, we'll keep it wet, we'll keep it moist. We'll see how many more we get in there. As far as this one goes, we don't have any growing right now, but we already put some out of there, but we'll see. Maybe in a day or two, there'll be some more in there. All right. Looking good, baby.